In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the taskbar to the left side in Windows 11. If you've recently started using Windows 11, one of the first things you may notice is that the taskbar icons are centered by default. For some people, that modern layout looks clean and fresh, but if you're more comfortable with the classic Windows style, you might prefer having everything aligned to the left instead. The good news is that Windows 11 gives you a simple way to change that setting in just a few clicks. To get started, go down to your taskbar and find any empty space where there are no app icons or buttons. Once you've found a blank area, right-click there. This will open a small pop-up menu with a few quick options related to your taskbar. From that menu, click on Taskbar Settings. This will take you directly to the part of the Windows Settings app where you can customize how the taskbar looks and behaves. It's a helpful shortcut because it saves you from having to search through the full settings menu manually. Once the taskbar settings window is open, look for the section called Taskbar Behaviors. If it isn't already expanded, click on it to open that section. This area contains several controls for how the taskbar functions, including where the icons are positioned. Now find the drop-down menu next to Taskbar Alignment. Click that drop-down and you'll see the available alignment options. Choose Left. As soon as you select it, the taskbar icons, including the Start button, will move from the center to the left side of the taskbar. That's all you need to do. The change happens immediately, so there's no need to restart your computer or save anything manually. If you ever want to switch back to the centered layout later, you can follow the exact same path and choose Center from the same drop-down menu. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how familiar and comfortable Windows 11 feels, especially if you've used earlier versions of Windows for a long time. Keeping your interface set up the way you like can help you work faster and feel more at home on your device. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to move the taskbar to the left side in Windows 11.